The crypto market has always been unpredictable, full of highs, lows, innovations, and regulatory battles. But what if I told you that a major shift is happening right now? A shift that could finally bring clarity and stability to an industry that has been operating in uncertainty for far too long. For years, the biggest challenge in crypto hasn't been adoption or technology, it has been regulation. Businesses, investors, and even retail traders have been forced to navigate unclear legal frameworks, not knowing whether their next move will be accepted or penalized, and that uncertainty has cost the industry billions in lost opportunities. But now we're witnessing a change that could reshape everything. A new task force has been formed, and unlike the aggressive enforcement-driven approach we've seen in the past, this one is focused on transparency and collaboration. And if this approach takes hold, it could be a game changer for cryptocurrencies, especially XRP. So how did we get here? What does this shift mean for the future of crypto regulations? And why is XRP positioned to benefit more than most other cryptos? Let's break it all down. To understand why this shift is so important, we need to look at how crypto has been regulated so far. For years, agencies like the SEC, the CFTC, and various global regulators have been unclear and inconsistent in their treatment of digital assets. One of the biggest controversies has been whether cryptocurrencies are securities or commodities. If a token is classified as a security, it falls under strict SEC regulations, requiring companies to register and follow compliance rules. But if it's considered a commodity, it falls under a different set of regulations, and the lack of clarity on this issue has led to lawsuits, enforcement actions, and billions in legal fees. Take XRP, for example. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been fighting a lawsuit with the SEC since 2020. The SEC claimed that XRP was sold as an unregistered security, while Ripple argued that XRP is a utility token designed for cross-border payments. This lawsuit has created massive uncertainty for XRP investors and institutions that wanted to integrate Ripple's technology. Now, with this new task force focusing on transparency, there's hope that we might finally get clear distinctions between security tokens, utility tokens, and commodities, and that could open the doors for mass adoption of XRP. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that are purely speculative, XRP was built with a real-world use case. Its main purpose is to fix the inefficiencies of cross-border payments, a trillion-dollar industry that is still using outdated methods. If you've ever tried sending money internationally, you know how frustrating it can be. The process is slow, expensive, and full of intermediaries. Banks charge high fees, transactions can take days to settle, and there's little transparency on where the money is at any given moment. But XRP changes the game. While Bitcoin transactions take 10 minutes and Ethereum takes 10 to 20 seconds, XRP completes transactions in just 4 to 5 seconds, and the fees are fractions of a cent. This makes XRP one of the fastest and cheapest ways to transfer value globally. And it's not just theoretical. Major financial institutions like Santander, American Express, and MoneyGram have already partnered with Ripple to integrate its technology. That's real-world adoption, something many other cryptocurrencies are still struggling to achieve. For years, the SEC lawsuit has been a dark cloud over XRP. When the lawsuit was first filed in 2020, many exchanges delisted XRP, causing its price to drop significantly. But Ripple has fought back, arguing that XRP is not a security and should not be subject to SEC enforcement. Now, with the new regulatory task force shifting towards transparency, there's renewed hope that XRP will finally be recognized as a utility token. And if that happens, we could see XRP relisted on major exchanges, new institutional investors entering the market, and a surge in adoption. But what would mass adoption actually look like? The global remittance market is worth hundreds of billions of dollars annually, and XRP has the potential to disrupt this industry entirely. By offering faster, cheaper, and more efficient cross-border payments, XRP could become the preferred choice for banks, financial institutions, and even governments looking for a digital alternative to SWIFT. Imagine a world where sending money across borders is as easy as sending an email. No delays, no high fees, just instant, secure transactions. And with the growing trend of CBDC, XRP could serve as the bridge currency that connects different digital assets. Already, some central banks are exploring the idea of using XRP for settlements. And as the regulatory landscape becomes clearer, we could see even more governments integrating XRP into their financial system. Of course, there are still challenges ahead. regulatory clarity is not guaranteed, and competition in the crypto space is fierce. Projects like Stellar, Swift's new blockchain initiatives, and other payment-focused cryptos are also vying for a piece of the market. But XRP has one major advantage. It has real partnerships, a proven track record, and an infrastructure that is already being used by banks and financial institutions, and that puts it miles ahead of many of its competitors. If the new regulatory shift leads to clear definitions and guidelines, XRP could be one of the biggest beneficiaries. And as more businesses integrate Ripple's technology, we could see a significant rise in demand, driving XRP's price higher. So the big question remains, are we about to witness XRP's biggest breakout yet? The crypto space is evolving fast, and staying informed is more important than ever. This regulatory shift towards transparency could be the beginning of a new era for crypto, one where clear guidelines replace uncertainty and mass adoption finally becomes a reality. XRP, with its real-world use case, strong partnerships, and fast transaction speed, is perfectly positioned to lead this change. But what do you think? Will XRP be the biggest winner in this new regulatory environment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the latest crypto trends, XRP updates, and market insights, make sure to subscribe to AY Network. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you found this video valuable, smash that like button to help spread the word.